Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl again. I hope you are doing well. So guys, today, thank you for stopping by if I forgot that. Today I'm going to be showing you how I mask my face. A lot of people have been asking me, what do you use on your face? What do you use on your face? I think I have shared my face cleanser. I did a review on my face, this aloe vera face cleanser last year. I am still using it. I have not changed it. So one thing that I discovered about cosmetics and all those things, all these natural things, is whatever it is that you are using, you have to give it time to work. Any product that you use that quick action, that gives you this very quick action, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you have started seeing the results, you have to put them away because it's just for a while. So you have to test a product at least for 6 months for you to know if it is working or not. And if you live in a country where there are seasons at times, you will have to use this product in both seasons or 3 seasons. In Germany, we have about 4 seasons. So if I have not tested it in all the season, for me, it is not a good product. So even before I did a review on those products, I used it up to 8 months or the 8 months or the 1 year. So I make sure that I use it for the whole 4 season before I review it. I am somebody that I think since 3-4 years now I have concentrated on natural products, and I try to find my own product, find my own things, so that I know what I am putting on my skin, and at the same time know what I am eating. Okay, I am somebody that also encourages that instead of spending money on a lot of cosmetics and a lot of makeup, why don't you spend money buying clean food, real food to eat, so that it works from inside out. Don't be like those who their inside is rotten, who is fighting acne, fighting everything. All those skin problems, majority of them start from inside because of what you have consumed, because of what you are eating. So the best way to also go about it or go against it is to start feeding your body the right things. Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you a face mask. This face mask is something that I think you should try, but you should also try it on your skin or your hand somewhere before you apply it on your face to see if you react to it. But everything I'm going to be using here is 100% natural, and I bought these things from organic shop also. So I just want to show you. And if you are having problem with acne, I strongly advise that you use this. Okay guys, the first thing we are going to be using is holy sand. I have bought the holy sand and I put it here, and the holy sand has 2 types. I'll come close to the camera to remove this. The holy sand comes with this packet of Dutch. It is called HolyClay. So it comes with this packet, and it has 2 types. There is one that you can as well drink as tablet. There's one that you drink, and there's one that you can use on your body. So this is the type that you can use on your body. That means it is not the one that you will need to swallow. I know a lot of people, I have swallowed this in the past, okay, but if you are not comfortable, buy the one that specifically said you can swallow. And you can also buy the ones in tablet. There are some that they have already put in tablet that you can as well drink. So this is the way the pack comes, but because if I open it, I want to put it in a place where I can cover it tightly and store it. So that is the reason why I will always remove it from the pack. So guys, the second thing we are going to be using is the Omega-Gold from LIFEPLUS. I got this product since last year, and this is like oil. It's an Omega-Gold. You drink it. It's fish oil. Is fish oil. This is the way it looks like. This is it. I'll come close. And this is from LIFEPLUS. You know that for the past 2 years now, I have been using LIFEPLUS products. Even though that I have not been doing a lot of video concerning the products, It doesn't mean that I have stopped using it. I still use it once in a while, especially I still use their cologne formula. Their cologne formula is amazing. I still use them, not every day anymore, every week, because my system is so clean and I've been taking a lot of fruits and vegetables. I've been eating right, so I don't need it, and I don't have this digestion or digestive problem anymore. So guys, this is the way it looks like. You bring a pack. This is just a sachet from a pack, and this is the way it looks like. I'll bring it closer. When you bring it out of the dust, this is the way it looks like. Very, very beautiful. And today I'm going to be using two. What I do is I have my clean container here, which I use for the face scrub, and my sand. Guys, I am doing this video inside the bathroom, so there's no much space here, so that is why I'm kind of doing this, like managing the space. Guys, when you buy holy sand, do not use metal inside. Do not put metal inside. Make sure that you use only wooden spoons, wooden pots. Anyhow you want to prepare it, make sure you use glasses and wooden. And in fact, if you have wooden plates and wooden spoon, that will be the best. So I'm going to take just a spoon like this and add it into my container. All this oil, I'll cut it and add it into the plate. So guys, this is the consistency you should get. I added another 3, making 5. So guys, this is what you get. And then you will start applying on your face. I'm doing this in the morning, so if you have makeup on, make sure that you don't apply this when you have makeup. And guys, I do not use brush to apply this on my face. I will use my hand to just go around. You can take this up to your neck if you want. Soap that I'm going to be using to wash all this. So guys, I'm going to leave this on my face for at least 30 minutes. I'm going to leave my face, go ahead and do other things, and then I'll come back to wash it. So guys, this is it. It is ready to be washed. It is 35 minutes. So I will take my bath now, and then I'll come back to show you the end result. Come back. I purposely turn off the light of my ring light so that you will see my 100% natural face. I have just finished taking my bath, and this is what my face looks like. Okay guys, do not be scared that, oh, it's going to leave oil on my face. It's never going to leave oil on your face. It's going to open up all your pores. Every single pore on your face will be opened. And after this, please do not go in with alcohol. Anything that has alcohol, face cleanser, cream, anything, face wash, don't use. All you need to do is just put on your cream or oil, whatever it is that you use to moisturize your face, just put it. I don't know if I'm able to get my neck. I don't have ring light on, so that I will show you my neck also. This is it. So I don't have lights, and I purposely turn off the lights because when you use light sometimes to record, the person tends to become a fairer or whiter, or you are not able to see all the things on the person's face. Okay, so that is the reason why I turn off the light, so that you will see my face. So this is practically my face, and try it. Okay, try it. It feels very nice and very clean. And if you have a sagging skin, it will tighten up all your skin. It will tighten up all your skin. And if you have also a very rough lips, this is the best scrub, or the best mask for it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, and do not forget to comment. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.